All right. Good morning, everybody. Friday live stream here on the channel. I think I got my issue yesterday. If you saw yesterday's video, it was a little jacked up with the chart, but it looks like we're back to where we're supposed to be this morning. Decided to do a live stream today, even though Fridays are generally not the best day for streaming, it seems, but Arc Raiders is out today, so I'm going to be playing that pretty much all day, so I figured I'd do the stream early and get on out of here and enjoy the rest of the day doing that. What's up, old timer? My #1 commenter on YouTube, always leaving the comments. I appreciate you. What we got? We got about 4 minutes. I really haven't looked at anything around the market yet to see what's going on. So I don't even know where the market itself is at. Looking like it's doing a whole lot of nothing so far. SPY in the Q's just slightly red. Big names, slightly red. But really nothing much to talk about there. So we'll see what we can find and get into today as we go along. Oh, man. If you guys are interested, I'm planning at least tomorrow night on my other channel, on my Whiskey Tears channel, to be doing a little drinking and Arc Raiders live stream. Probably around 8 o'clock tomorrow night if you guys are interested in that. Otherwise, probably give it about an hour or so today on the stream. Hopefully find a trade or two in there. And head on into the weekend. I got a breakfast sandwich I'm eating. Everything bagel with egg, provolone, turkey, lettuce, tomato, red onions, and an Old Bay aioli. Really good. Really good. But probably got stuff all up in my teeth. All right, we got less than a minute to go. Good luck, everybody, today. All right, market is open. See what we can find. All right, market's starting with a little bit of a push down today. PLSK getting a bit of a pop in this morning, but it's off of a big down move yesterday. PRAX a big move up today, up 21%. Holy. Maybe if Hims got down under 55 on this push, could consider a scoop. Still got about 65 cents or so to go on that. Okay, it's trying. 55.40s. Can you keep going? Looking for under 55 here. $55.20s. Come on, keep pushing. Got held up there around 55.30. Bunch of things alerting on the scanner, but a lot of them are off of big down moves yesterday. Hey, market is, at least on the SPY, turned around and moved into the green now. Q's trying to get up there. Wouldn't want 55 now on HIMS after that pullback. I would need a bigger move to the downside. Mute some of these that I know I'm not going to trade. Iron also with a big move up today, up 23%. LAES moving. I would need a bit more, at least up into the 720s. Looks like it got up to about 710 yesterday. Or no, that's in pre-market, I'm sorry. Yesterday I actually got up towards like 770 before it came down. Not a very hot start. IREN coming down. Maybe if this one got under 57, but that might be asking a bit too much. It's just now gotten under 58. Hmm. ALB moving a bit. Got all the way up to 68.50. Now all the way back down to kind of where the day started. Maybe it makes a move under 66, could consider it. Kind of slow here though. All right, here comes the 66 move. Is he going to push under? I'm not 100% convinced on it yet. Market just took a little bit of a sharp turn down. Yeah, look at that. Market started red, came all the way back up, poked its head into green, and is now at lows. New lows. Chaos. A little bit. Things are kind of moving, but nothing that I like. Nobody in ISW has taken a trade yet this morning. That's crazy. Wow, now the market's shooting right back up. That is some chaos right there. All the way to new lows, now shooting all the way up to green on the day again. Not 10 o'clock yet, so generally no news, but who knows? Not I. That chart in the spy. Oh man. Wow, BYND is now 60 cents. What happened? That's crazy. Tesla's your nemesis? I've actually had pretty good success on Tesla over the years. It can make some crazy moves though. That's for sure. Come on, market. I want to at least get one in today on the short day. Yeah, it's a Friday. Oh man, my knee. We're in a trade war. We're not in a trade war. No, just kidding. We are in a trade war. No, we're not really in a trade war. The war's over. The war's still going. The war's over. The war's still going. JPM was up 1% pre-market. Now it's down. Yeah. The market was ready to start the day, and now it's moving on up. Things all a little bit all over the place. Question is, has it made its decision now which way it wants to go? Or is it still just playing around? Maybe if LAES got into the 740s, I could give this one a start. Of course, every time I've pulled something up today, that's right when it just stops moving. It's trying to push a little higher. Not very strongly, though. Oh, look at the market coming straight back down almost to, yep, and now it's slightly red again. Oh, that's funny. Just playing with people today. I still have the Interactive Brokers account. I still trade that. I switched to the funded account for YouTube just because that's pretty much all the rage of what everyone is interested in watching. So I figured I don't really do the future stuff. Let me try it on the stock side of stuff, see if I can get to a funded account with Trade the Pool and go from there. So that's why. But I still trade the main account. Well, thank you, and good morning to you as well. Yeah, I mean, my channel's pretty dead, honestly, overall. Ever since so since you've only been around for a year, I actually was around way before COVID and all that, and I actually had a pretty decent channel. I was up over 10,000 subscribers and was getting a couple, at least 100 people on any live stream that I did and everything like that. And then my life kind of blew up, went through a divorce and all that, and I did the dumbest thing ever. I deleted my channel while I was going through that. And ever since I've been doing like the comeback, it just hasn't ever really been the same. The space on YouTube is just so saturated now with a million channels. It's back when I started, it wasn't like that. It's all good on the other side now, mostly. Yeah, back then the channel was booming. Every video would get at least 1,000 views, and that was fun times. I am for sure. The YouTube channel, not so much, but that's okay. My goal was never to make a ton of money off of YouTube when I started. The goal has always been to make money from trading. I mean, yeah, I'm re-engaged now, and we just built a new house. That's what I'm in now. Nice views. I don't know how well you can see out the window there, but especially with my crutches up in the way. I used to. I got rid of my trading one. I have one for my whiskey channel. If you're interested in whiskey, I have one for that. But otherwise, the trading one I got rid of because nobody used it anymore. Yeah, I came around right when like Patrick Whelan when he was first getting started. For a while, I don't really agree with most of the things he does, but for a while that we were actually like talking back and forth and streaming a little bit and all that kind of stuff when our channels were new and growing. All right, man. Good luck with your house. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you and for all the comments you always leave on the videos. I do appreciate that. I just want to get one trade in before I leave for the day. It's going to be a short day today. If you weren't here, missed it earlier, there's a new game out, Arc Raiders, and I just want to play it all weekend long. I got no fiance, no kids all weekend, so it's just going to be me, some whiskey, and Arc Raiders. Sounds good? I'm going till like 10:30 today, trade or no trade. And currently, it's looking like no trade. Not even anyone in the Team ISW chat has gotten any trades today yet, which is crazy. Normally, at least B has gotten a trade or two in. But for none of us to have trades in, that's crazy. What's going on, Ricky? Good morning, good morning. Hope it's a good one. It is a slow day. I mean, probably depends on your trading strategy because the market was flip-flopping all over the place today. For me, definitely a slow day. I'm sure there's some people who love this type of day. Don't know. It's feeling like a no trade day by the way things are going though. Want to scalp on Tesla? Did you get that thing long before that big pop? I pulled up like 4 things, but every time I pulled something up, it just died out. 428 break? Oh, okay. Gotcha, gotcha. At least somebody around here is green. Glad to hear it. Tesla is one of the stocks that I always have up on my side screen over here. It's kind of cold in here today too. What's the temperature today? It is 54. I have to go switch into some sweatpants. Tell you what though, if you ever need help falling asleep, just watch the market when it's like this. You'll be right out. Oh well, yawning just sitting here watching this. Speaking of IB, getting a little pop here. Oh, wow, it's gone. IB is up like 100% since April. Must be all those commissions I'm paying. Now market back to new highs. Crazy. Market's really the only thing making fun moves. That's the one thing I don't trade. Yeah. I don't even know if I'm going to make it another 15 minutes watching this. This is brutal. This is brutal. I'm wasting my time sitting here. Gents, sorry for the lame stream today, but I'm just wasting my time sitting here watching absolutely nothing happening. Even if I sit here for another 15 minutes, I feel like nothing's going to happen. So I think I'm just going to call it here and start my weekend early. But old timer Saquon, and Ricky, thank you guys for showing up. Hey, and there's Adley. Look at that guy. So I'm probably just going to call it. If you guys do want to join tomorrow night, me and Tim Vesh are planning on doing a little drinking and streaming some Arc Raiders. So that'll be over on the Whiskey Cheers channel, probably tomorrow night, Saturday at around 8 p.m. Otherwise, I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.